This is a public service announcement from Dock Door Tec. We want to keep you informed on how we are managing through the current coronavirus environment. All of our services are currently up and running without interruptions, including our after-hours emergency service. We are maintaining close contact with our suppliers, and they are also seeing no interruptions in supply at this time.
Hey, I'm Jay with Dock Door Tec, and I'm here to fix my client's door today. They got an issue I got to take care of, but before I go do that, I got to take a couple extra precautions. Hey, I'm Jay with Dock Door Tec.
Hi Jay, I'm Sam.
Hey Sam, I'm here to fix your door. Work order says looks like it's got a roller issue.
It seems like it, yes.
Okay, we'll get it taken care of. No worries there. Normally I'd shake your hand or come a little closer, but the world we live in, this is what we're doing.
I appreciate that.
Looks like you've got a sign-in sheet over here for me?
I do, yes.
All right, I'm going to do that. Any additional things I need to know while I'm working in your facility, Sam?
Just observe the policies that are in place now from the CDC, social distancing. We do have some wipes back there for you to wipe down the area after you're done.
Okay, I can do that. Anything I touch that your employees would in turn touch, I'll get taken
Yes.
care of. So,
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to go have at it. If there's anything additional that comes up, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'll check back in when I'm all done.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Hi Jay.
Hey Sam, got your door all fixed up. Nothing major. Roller just got popped out of the track. Track was bent up a little bit, so I was able to straighten it, tighten it back up. I did a full service on your door, adjusted, went through everything, full inspection. There's no issues. Your door's in great shape.
Oh good, that's good to hear.
I wiped everything down as you asked. That's all taken care of. Do you need me to sign out on your sheet?
No, we don't need you to sign out.
Okay. Normally I'd have you sign my work order digitally here, but with today's world, we're not going to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and note the time.
11:35.
11:30, I checked out 11:30 with Sam. I'm going to note that on here, and we'll be good to go.
Okay, thank you, I appreciate that.
Thank you. Appreciate the business. Anything additional you need from me?
Not today.
All right. Hey, enjoy your day. Be safe.
Thank you. Stay healthy.
I will.
At Dock Door Tec, we are taking the following precautionary measures to keep our clients and operations running efficiently during this uncertain time. Your safety is of our highest priority. Service technicians and all employees are self-checking prior to coming to work per CDC guidelines. We have conducted cleanings this past weekend and will continue to do so daily. Supplier visits to our facility will be limited to only those required to keep our operations up and running. Employees are not engaging in any international travel. All employees that have experienced any cold or flu-like symptoms will be required to be cleared prior to returning to work. Sanitary measures are being taken in our offices and our service trucks. Safety of our employees and yours, along with the quality of our workmanship, are our two top priorities. Sales team members will be operating primarily from their home offices over the next several weeks. We have asked that all of our technicians avoid handshakes, fist bumps, elbow bumps, and any other physical contact while practicing social distancing. We fully understand our clients are concerned with keeping their businesses running as normal. During this difficult time, Dock Door Tec is here to assist you. We will continue to provide communication updates to let you know the status of our operations. Please work with us as we have managed through this unique market and environmental conditions. We are sure we will get through this time successfully together, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you from Dock Door Tec.